I'm High Chief Chukode Sylvester on one size. Yeah.
Okay. Well, actually, we are Adamazi TV, and what we do is we promote cultural events in the whole of Africa. We connect African communities, we connect Africans to their roots through the showcase of the cultural heritage of all African communities. We heard about your New Yam Festival, and that is why we are here today to showcase the New Yam Festival of your community to the world. So, because Anyawike Matatu, exactly your position in this community and what exactly is happening in your community, sir.
Good evening, viewers. As I have already introduced myself, what is happening today in this community is the New Yam Festival of Obi Onyeka Onyejuruwa Ebube Chukwu Obi Akabo Obi Afiaolu Nnewi. Thank you very much.
So what's your position in the community?
Yes, actually, I'm not from this community. I am a stranger, precisely from Okija. But wherever an Igbo man is where he will now set up his residence or whatever. So I am like a brother to them. Because in Igbo land they said about Tobi Omade one layer. So what they are doing today, they officially invite me to grace today's occasion. That is why I'm here. And they have the Obi itself have entertained me. His ushers have also entertained me. So I think things are moving normal. Things are going normal in Igbo culture and tradition. This is the Obi Obiofia as a whole. This Obi Obiofia as a community is a very large community, which my own residents resided in, my own commercial building resided in as well. So in that sense, that's why they now count me as their own. Then I now grace the occasion as their own too. So I think I'm glad to be here anywhere because the Obi is a very nice man. To me, he's a very nice man and he's a God-fearing human being. So that's the reason why I'm here today.
All right. So how do you feel about the event so far?
Okay, I'm very, very amazed. The event is so wonderful. The event is wonderful. If you look around, you see a lot of crowd. You see a lot of people coming in and going out. So in fact, it's even more celebrated. Like yesterday, Afiaolu ushers in. There's what they call Afiaolu Nnewi. The one the Igbo Oris will now do first. After the Igbo Oris, all the Obis will start doing their New Yam. So this one today is doing his own New Yam today. Obi Onyejuruwa, Obi Akabo Obi Ofia is doing his own New Yam, and it's all the community by my own sensing, and I know that his children, all the community, because all the community is his sub. So they are here to celebrate the man on his New Yam Festival. So, which I'm one of them. I came here to celebrate the man too. So I'm very, very glad and amazed.
You talk about culture. What do you have to say about Africa's culture?
Good. Okay. In that sense, in African culture, please let me use this opportunity or this medium to address the issue of African culture, particularly Igbo culture. Our culture is dying. Our culture is dying. It's high time we now look into culture. When you go to Japan is doing their own culture. China is doing their own culture without taking any excuse from anybody. Even UK is doing their own culture. If you look around, when they are burying Queen Elizabeth, there is a white ram they killed that day. But if it is in this place, they call it lishwa, or they'll call it they name it anything they like, because they are trying to chase away culture, Igbo culture, which our forefathers they are not happy with us, because this is what they left for us. This New Yam Festival, when it's a time of harvesting, during the time of cultivation, some people will die. It's not some people that cultivated this yam now are eating it. So that is the reason why some are very, very happy for the New Yam Festival.
For being alive.
For being alive to celebrate it. Because some people may cultivate the yam and they will not be alive to celebrate it, to harvest it. So that is why if you are alive, in olden days, during our forefathers, this is the only medium they used to count their months and days. When they do New Yam Festival, they have started to usher in another year. Yes, not it today, from olden days. For New Yam, they count another year. But now, the white man has brought brought another calendar. But in that days, it's through New Yam Festival, they will count another year.
Wonderful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for this wonderful experience. We really appreciate.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you collect
Yes, and the buy Anameka no. Anameka no, and as a galeba, and I can show you on a ike. It's only on a swear, Wahoka, where Mamenka, Meme Ewaji, Nairiji, Obi, Onyeka, Onyajuruwa. Ebube Chukwu ọ ihe dị maka na-engomi abịara m ebe a wee fụkwa ụmụazụ ya, ụmụ ya niile si wee nọkọ ọnụ, ndị yutu nọkọrọ ọnụ, ụmụ nwaanyị niile nọ n'obi ọfịa, ma ndị anụpụrụ anụpụ, ma ndị bụ ụmụ nwaanyị ndị anụtara n'anị, ma ndị ụmụ ọkpụ ha ncha niile nọcha ebe a. That's the way ọ ihe ahụ ụzọ esi promote African culture, because onye ọbụla jere ije edi abụrụgo nwa ọkpụ. So ụmụ ọkpụ akaba niile nọ ebe a today. Ọ bụ na ị na-eme maka mụ abụ onye Igbo, abatara m abata bụ m onye Igbo, amụrụ m n'ụlọ, zụọ m n'ụlọ. That's why eji onye m ichie. Thank you very much. Ichie Ike n'Ọkịja.
Ike n'Ọkịja. Okay, we've been together with Ichie Ike n'Ọkịja. He's been able to tell us more about the cultural heritage of Africans and how we should hold on to our cultural heritage and not allow it to die off from our hands. And he has expressed how happy he is being here to celebrate with the king of this community. Speaking Wikizi, Igbo, Zimakemet, Oga, watch my facts.
Okay, Onyen Nezozibo, the traditional head of Akabo, Obiofia, who the traditional head of Obiofia community. Anamezi Ozekene. When I see a Chineke na to pasari andure nundo. Eto ji owo obi anwole we maru Chineke we na achịkwande chiputeli anaka. O mere ka ịfụnanya na agamniru na bata na Akaba Obiofia. Awana yo oboso na Akaba Obiofia na Obiofia niile entirely. O mere ka ihe ọma na bata na Obiofia entirely. Ana achịkwa Chineke nna ya gba yume ya were ndụ tieri ya n'enu ndụ, were ahụ ike tieri ya n'enu arụ ike. Ka ọ ya wụ ọnọsịa n'ụwa anyị na-ene anya na 120 years. Ọnọsịa n'ụwa anụnwa. Onye ọzọkwa ga-apụtakwa abụrụkwa onye na-erekwa mkpụrụ okwu ya anya, because n'ibe a na-ekwu bụ legacy. Ụkpụrụ mmadụ debere n'ụwa anụnwa ka a ga-eji wee na-echeta onye anwa. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Please share,